In front of me is REALME Narzo 35G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to settings then, and locate personalizations. Here, just mark wallpapers, and now you can choose either some from your own photos, one from static wallpapers, or live wallpapers. It's up to you, and I will go with static wallpapers. And now just choose the picture that you would like to apply as your home screen. Can be this one, or maybe that one. Let me apply it. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will pick both. And from now on, this picture is covering both your home and lock screen. Here it is. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.